Definitely feed the cat. Hey, it's Mike here. We're gonna do 13, 14 totally certified 4 boxes here. Looking forward to it. First time I busted in these boxes actually, so should be a good time. I'm gonna get our eBay current time here before we get started. eBay current time. Do a refresh here. There we go. 22:02:07. Hope you're all having a good evening. I had a good day today. Took my kids out tobogganing with the wife there. 3 kids up and down the hill having lots of fun. And then, of course, no Leafs there on right now, so don't have to watch them at the moment. Alright, totally certified. Let's get cracking. 4 boxes to go. And then after that, we got 12-13 limited. Glad to have a bunch of you along for the break. Good turnout. Let's see if we can do as good as last night. I hope so. Alright, we got 4 packs in here. There we go. Box number 1. You got the Habs, eh? Yeah. In TC, yeah. Alright. Ooh, these packs are... There we go. Need a little practice getting these ones. Alright, we got base. We got for the Calgary Flames Epics single jersey, Jerome Iginla. Flames. Iginla to get kicked off. Yeah, no, it was... Who was that? I can't remember who ended up doing that, but yeah. Had the wall in there. We have jersey auto for the San Jose Sharks. Matt Irwin. No Thomas Hurdle. Matt Irwin. Number 18/50. We will go for the slightly less fat pack here next. It was the gold, can't remember which one it was. Alright, next up we have Andrew Ladd. Out of 100. We have rookie for the Buffalo Sabres, Nikita Zherdov. Go Knights go. We also have for the Buffalo Sabres, that's a nice pack overall, but Buffalo Sabres again, jersey auto, Johan Larsson. Here we go, Sabres. Oh, regular rookies? Here we go. Let me go back there. I'll wait on the next one anyways. Nobody will want to see it. There we go. We do. First time through, like I say, so. Here we go. Thank you very much for getting me there. We got Ryan Murphy, rookie. Hurricanes. We have Marek Maznik, Predators, rookie. And we got jersey. Ooh, that's a damage card there. For the Sabres, clear cloth. So after maybe whoever gets this one, if they want to contact them, maybe contact them this one. It's number 2/25, Cam Neely. Clear cloth. But there's a big ding right there on by the jersey there. Yeah, that's right. Alright, last pack for this box here. Okay, next up we have Frederick Anderson, number 1/25 for the Ducks. We have for the San Jose Sharks, Nick Petrecki, rookie. Man, I see why you guys like this product. Frick, I'm impressed already. Rookie roll call for the Nashville Predators, Philippe Forsberg. Yeah, very impressed already. We have jersey, well, patch gold for the New York Rangers. Rookie JT Miller, and that's number 2/5. JT Miller, Rangers. Nice looking patch there for the Rangers. Of course, like something bigger than Miller, but nice looking patch. Yeah, very nice Rangers hit. These are nice looking cards, man. Really nice. Impressed with it. Yeah. Yeah, that one would have. That was a lot of hits in there. Well, I open up, I'm like, fat pack, fat pack, fat pack. I'm like, what's with this? This looks a little more normal. They were feeling heavy. Yeah, but I agree. Yeah, that's wicked. We have rookie, not near as exciting version for the New York Rangers, JT Miller, base rookie. Social signatures for the Boston Bruins. I've seen a couple of these with the odd jerseys here at Tyler Seguin 92 Bruins social signatures. A little retro replay with the Seguin with the Bruins there. Jeez, man. For the Red Wings, base rookie Peter Mrazek. Man, he looks good. Watch against the Leafs the one day, even though they lost the one game. Man, he looked good. We have rookie jersey auto for the Blackhawks, Michael Koska. Blackhawks. Yeah, it would be nice, wouldn't it? A real Habs hit, though, right? Man. A wall would be nice to pull. I'd be happy with that. We got Sam Gagner gold, Oilers, number 14/25. Gagner. We got rookie for the Blue Jackets, Boone Jenner. We got clear cloth for the Pittsburgh Penguins, number 79/100, Mr. Sidney Crosby. Yeah, AK, you picked up what? 3 teams there in limited? Or was it 3 teams in here? We have the big man for the Capitals. We got Tom Wilson, parallel, number 8/10, Caps. Tom Wilson. Yeah, it's one of the better ones for mix. We got rookie for the Winnipeg Jets, Edward Pascal, 4/5, Emerald, 4/5. We got a veteran here. We got totally certified for the Edmonton Oilers, Adam Graves. Graves Oilers. Going back to the good old Stanley Cup days. Oiler fans are reminiscing right now about all those days. A few wins in a row recently. They're looking a little bit better right now. Oh, come on. Let's go plastic. Get off of there. 2 boxes to go. 2 down, 2 to go. Off to a good start. Some nice hits. Alright, here we go. Next box. What? That's rough. Ooh. Ouch. Carrying off with our Sabres rookie theme, we have rookie base Mark Pysyk for the Sabres. For the Caps, jersey auto, Philippe Grobber, Caps. If I butcher a name like him, I apologize. I suck. Hey, only takes one. Only takes one. Emerald for the Carolina Hurricanes, Tomorutu. Number 1/5, Rutu. We got for the St. Louis Blues base rookie, Vladimir Tarasenko. Base rookie, Tarasenko. We have totally certified jersey for the Canucks. We got Daniel Sedin. Canucks. We got another good old London night there. Old D for the Pittsburgh Penguins base rookie, Oli Mata. We got number 79/100 clear cloth, Wendell Clark, Toronto Maple Leafs. Wendell, or as my dad likes to call him, Wendy Clark. I don't know which one's worse. Technically, obviously, the Thomas, but we got Ovechkin out of 100. We got Nick Bustad for the Panthers, rookie base. We got Corey Conacher, dual rookie class auto, Senators. All right, last base it is. So here we go. Yeah, it actually has been good so far. I'm actually very impressed. Yeah, I'd definitely be adding some more of these, doing some more of this. Man, I'd like to do a full case of these coming up, maybe even at the end of the week or early next week. We'll leave that to the end there. Nice looking cards, like I say, too. Seth Jones, a base rookie. Also helps that it's a strong rookie year, too. That doesn't hurt either. Totally certified jersey, Jay Bouwmeester, Blues. Next year, gosh, man. Real strong rookie class is going to be. Yeah, that's the only thing. Even worse, 12-13 was even worse with that, though. You got Jamie Oleksiak for the Stars base rookie. We got jersey auto rookie Matt Nieto for the Sharks. Down 2 packs there, Adam. I don't know. So this is supposedly the pack that you're going to get something now? Yeah, I think the Avs have been skunked so far. Yeah, of all teams, the Sharks, eh? We have rookie roll call, Victor Fast, jersey. All right, last pack, here we go. Something fat in there. All right, we got Jimmy Howard. It's number 18/25, Red Wings, Jimmy Howard. Base rookie there for the Montreal Canadiens. Base rookie, Brendan Gallagher. So there we go, we got Canadiens. Base. Nice. This is a real nice looking card. We got an elitist script inscriptions. I haven't seen these. Marty St. Louis for the Lightning. That's a real nice looking card. The inscriptions. Marty St. Louis, Lightning. And the last hit of the night. Ooh, that's a really sweet, well, not multicolored, but nice looking patch. Big fat patch in there. We got for the Minnesota Wild, number 26/50 patch, Charlie Coyle. There we go, everybody. So very happy with those boxes. Some nice looking cards. First time into it. That's our 4 boxes of certified, and yeah, 20 bucks on those, not bad at all. So yeah, have a good one there, Adam. Sorry I didn't pull anything big for the Canadians. Next time, I only got a single box there on next time, but definitely get a good case in there. All right, we will see you soon, everybody else. And for those sticking around for the limit, I will be starting in about 3-4 minutes. So we will talk to you later.